Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is formidable. It is pronounced for-mi-da-bull and spelt F-O-R-M-I-D-A-B-L-E. Think for, mid, and then able. Formidable means someone or something that is challenging, intimidating, and difficult to defeat. You could use it to describe someone as powerful or imposing. For example, you could say the competitor was formidable and always gave a tough challenge to opponents. Or the mountain was formidable and very difficult to climb. The word formidable comes from the Latin word formidabilis, which means inspiring fear or terrifying. The meaning of formidable today is connected to this because formidable describes a difficult situation or obstacle, and in turn, this could inspire fear. In the Harry Potter series, Lord Voldemort could be described as a formidable and powerful wizard, feared by many in the wizarding world. Synonyms for formidable include challenging, intimidating, difficult, and imposing. Antonyms for formidable are weak, manageable, and easy. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, formidable. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.